Welcome to Boy Review Toy! And Kaleif's birthday edition, we have Sonic Fluffy from Sonic Boom.
It says Sonic Talking Plush.
Plush?
That's what it says.
But I'll show you some.
I can really go for a chili dog.
Oh, and he talks!
Yep.
Oh, that's awesome. This is the guy from Sonic Boom, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is the Sonic Boom edition Sonic Plush doll. We call them fluffies at our house, but it says plush on the box. You ready to open up your new plush?
Yep.
Your plush, Kaleif?
Oh,
Oh, we gotta see the back side too. Here, let's get a close-up of that back.
we're probably going to read it. Yep.
Oh man, he says 5 different phrases. Time to take in the trash. Too slow, you forgot. Oh, and look, it says it's in French too, but it has a French trigger. Alright, yeah, and if you don't know it, Sonic Boom actually is made in France.
It is?
Yep, they make the cartoon in France and broadcast it in America. Alright, Kaleif, open it up.
I didn't even know that. Oh, that was easy. Woo! Woo!
This part, I'll do something back here, yeah, gotta undo that part.
Maybe we might cut this if you want us
There
to.
we go.
Maybe not. Open something.
I bet he has a trigger for demo mode. Let's see if he's got a demo mode. Oh, it just says he's on or off, and he is on. So. He's talking French. How did that happen? Is there a French button we hit somewhere?
Probably, yeah.
Oh, there's the black button right there. Okay, look, guys. Let's show everybody. So here's your new Sonic Boom plush. But when you look on the back side here, there's a on and off trigger to turn them off, or you switch them on. Hold on, let's have him talking English.
I can really go for a chili dog.
Yeah, or if you push the black button, push it, Kaleif. Oh man, he talks French. Oh man, I don't know. He said chili dog in French, I think. Alright guys, let's show them everything that the Sonic says now.
Time to take in the trash.
Oh man, what else?
Too slow? You forgot who you're talking to.
What else?
Can't lose me, egghead!
Egghead, is that Kaleif?
No, that's his bad guy.
Oh, his nemesis?
I can really go for a chili dog.
He's hungry.
Oh, he's always hungry.
I think that might be all 5 phrases.
It is.
Hello guys. Now we're going to show the size comparison with the other songs that we have and Tails.
Okay guys, so there's a whole lot of Sonics and Tails here. Which one is the new Sonic Boom Sonic? Stand them up. Alright, okay.
These are the here.
Hold them next to each other. Okay, so these are the Sonic Booms that are the smaller Sonic Booms that you can usually find at Toys R Us on the shelf, just in the box of small Sonic Booms. And these guys, they're probably about a 6-inch fluffy?
My guess is about 5 to 6 inches.
Yeah, about 5 or 6 inches each.
I got this from my Sonic the Hedgehog birthday.
Yeah.
Last year.
Alright, now hold up the new Sonic Boom Sonic. Okay, so you see that guy is a lot bigger, right?
About 3 to 4 inches bigger.
Yeah. So, what do you think? That guy, he's probably a good 10 inches or 12 inches tall, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so...
But and his head is still bigger.
Yeah, his head is so much bigger. Yeah. Okay, so let's show them what it looks like. Which one? This is the one that we call Buff Sonic, right? Where's Buff Sonic?
No, that's not Buff Sonic.
Yeah, that is Buff Sonic.
This one's Buff Sonic.
That's Giant Sonic. Yeah, that's Giant Sonic. So Buff Sonic, he's buff because show him his muscles. Show him his muscles. Oh man, he's got big muscles.
He does have that big muscles.
They're not actually the same size.
I think Buff Sonic's a little bit bigger. Buff Sonic's probably more like a 14-incher.
If you see it that far, you see Donkey Kong.
Yeah, and that Sonic, Buff Sonic, is the Sonic that we found at Toys R Us before Sonic Boom came out, right?
Yeah, and
And so where's the Tails that went with him in that series? You can see, yeah, Tails is still a lot bigger than Sonic too. So
this can be Buff Tails.
is that Buff Tails?
Yeah.
Yeah, he looks like Dirty Tails right now with his dirty gloves. He used to be white. He's not white anymore.
I know.
All right, so now show him Big Sonic.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Now this is actually, that's what's called Pillow Sonic, right? He's meant more to be even like a bed pillow.
Yeah. Yeah, we got this from what?
That one came from Target.
Yeah.
Target.
Yeah, Target had the whole Sonic bed set, and then they also had the bed pillow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Paired with Boomtails.
Boomtails.
Not the same
That
size.
actually looks a little bit more appropriate for Tails, because usually Tails is smaller than Sonic in the show, right?
Look at this.
Oh man, it's huge.
Yeah, and look at the butt. Yeah.
He's got a hole.
He has a butt. He has a butt shoe. He has a bug plant.
Oh goodness. Alright, so now we're going to show him some cool stuff that the Sonic can do. Alright, what's one of the first things Sonic can do? Oh, we have this cool Sonic slide. I bet he can get on the Sonic slide, right?
Yeah.
Let me get him upstairs, guys.
Watch this. Watch this. Spin that. Ready, set, go.
Okay, so Sonic. Which one's the new Sonic Boom Sonic? No, they need to have a race.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll have a race.
As a
Sonic
slide?
Boom and Buff Sonic. Who can win the race?
Yeah, on Boom Sonic we'll have Boom sliding and Buff will be doing a spin dash. 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, I think Buff Sonic came in second place.
And looks like this one won and this one.
Oh, the giant Sonic won?
Yeah, and this got second place, and this bus only got last place.
Oh man.
Okay, now let's just do it on the carpet, okay?
Okay.
Okay,
How
let me
about
get
the
down.
tails?
Okay, first let's do a slide.
I was showing him your cool Sonic poster on the wall.
Okay.
Alright, so what else can Sonic do?
Remember that slide where you could go under stuff in the game, unleashing new colors? That's what he's doing, a
Yeah.
slide, a spin dash.
Show me. Oh, you threw it at the camera. Do it the other way, away from the camera.
Okay, let's jump. A victory dance.
Victory dance! Sonic can do victory dance. Yeah. Sonic
And the fastest runner. And a flip flip.
Think we should show him how Sonic flies?
Sonic can't fly.
I bet you he can fly.
Incredible!
Do it again.
Sonic, are you okay?
Maybe.
I don't think so. I'm up on the copter of death. What's gonna happen? Ah! Oh, he died.
Now he's back up. I gotta turn you back to life on Mexico Cat. Turn you back to life. That time for the final cry. Here comes magic. What? Okay, that's it.
Alright, I think now you guys need to show him what happens when Sonic goes to the bouncy machine of death.
Bouncing? Oh, you mean a trampoline?
Something tells me this is not going to be good.
Oh yeah. Yeah. No! Oh dear!
Mario!
It was very bad.
Okay, we tried to kill Sonic, but it didn't work because he's pretty durable. Even though he got the game over, he continued to live.
He got his rings back.
You got all his rings back?
Yeah.
Did you find the Chaos Emeralds?
No,
Nope. But
No.
I found.
but he got a game over, but he continued.
Alright, Kaleif. So, Kaleif, what do you think about the new Sonic Boom Sonic stuffed animal that talks?
100.
It gets a 100?
Yeah.
Oh man, so is it better than the other Sonic fluffies that have come out before it?
Yes.
Think kids should get it?
Yeah, but there's also another Sonic Boom that has a small body and a big head.
Oh.
Sure do. That's so funny.
Okay, maybe we'll get that one too and review it later. So you guys, you give 1 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, or thumbs down? 2 thumbs up? Alright. Well, let's go ahead and sign off.
We're signing off of Boys Review Toys! We'll see you in the next one.